For all those listening in the virtual space, and especially to the graduating class of 2020, it's an honor to be here with you today. As you know, the nation is focused on a public health crisis. The situation has challenged us, and it's okay to feel frustrated or upset. We're human. However, today, I want to focus on moving forward. Let's consider another perspective during these times and look through a different lens, one that is unique and empowering. You have attained an incredible milestone. You earned a Doctor of Pharmacy degree and will soon be pharmacists. You now have the opportunity to impact the health of a nation. For the last decade, I have had the privilege of speaking to our newly commissioned officers, each year presiding over the Officer Basic Course graduation. This graduation includes all health professionals, physicians, nurses, dentists, and public health degrees. At the end, I pull aside just the pharmacists for a specific message that I give each of them. I let them know that pharmacists are built to be leaders. However, they first have to understand that concept in order to become a leader. Pharmacists are taught how to communicate effectively. They understand that they are not the top of the food chain in the healthcare system, which is an advantage since you learn to be diplomatic. Pharmacists need to be collaborative to be successful on healthcare teams and demonstrate empathy and authenticity, and helps patients develop trust in them. And they can make frequent and decisive decisions under often stressful conditions. These are all traits of some of the most successful leaders at the highest level in the world. And this is evidence-based, and it's how you've been taught. Is there any doubt that you can or should have major impact on the nation's health? There are 5,500 hospitals in the US filled with physicians, nurses, pharmacists, and other providers. In addition, there are 67,000 community pharmacists in the US, staffed with pharmacists as providers. Whether it is managing a chronic condition, making an IV, researching the next vaccine, which is very appropriate, or providing a consult on the best therapy, you are the only one that can have impact in all those settings. You are the bridge that connects every person in the community to the healthcare system. For many, you are the only access to healthcare. You are the ultimate combination of the most accessible, formally trained, and trusted provider in the world. You are a public health professional that understands prevention and wellness and knows how to navigate the health system. Essentially, you are the gatekeeper of health. But you have to approach your profession and your behavior knowing that you are the gatekeeper. Like your school's vision, you have to lead the way. I can't think of a better time than now to do that. In this way, you are truly unique. In 2013 and 2014, I acted in the role of the Deputy Surgeon General of the United States. At the time, the Surgeon General was my boss, but also a friend. He would always tell me that life is a collection of stories, and every day you build content. I would recommend you start now to think about your story, and at this unique time in our nation's history, begin to write the first major chapter. What will define you? The opportunity to lead, guide others, and be that gatekeeper of health is more relevant now than ever before. You wouldn't want to start your story in any other time. Only this year's class can say they graduated and stepped forward to lead at one of the most unique times in our nation's history. What a different lens I am looking through now. So my challenge to you is to be infectious. As discordant as that may sound given current events, it is the exact irony we need. Your commitment, expertise, leadership, and willingness to have impact will help you infect others. This will result in energy and positivity and resilience. And much like a virus, you will be contagious. The nation needs you to get through these challenging times and set a new normal moving forward. This includes knowing that pharmacists are the gatekeepers of health. They are providers and they are leaders in every community across the nation. Today, you embark on a new journey and a new story. Lead the way, guide others, protect health, and can be infectious. You were built for this. To the graduate class of 2020, stay strong, and once again, congratulations.